Hi there, boys and girls. This is our last week of word work patterns. The week after this, you have 2 more days and then school's over. So I tried to make it as fun as I could for this last week of word work patterns. If you can tell, we're doing a little bit of a beach summer theme for this week. So your activities are going to be beach summer themed. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to get started. All right, so you see the little bonus float there. You're going to see the words pop up, and you're going to need to think what they have in common as to why we group them. So this first group here, you see lick, sick, rick. And then if you pay attention to the other side of the screen, we have shack, rack, tack. And close to the bottom, we have block, sock, rock. And then we have pluck, muck, suck. So I want you to go ahead and pause very quickly and think about what these groups of words have in common and what you think our pattern is. All right, so thinking about our pattern, you might think that we put lick, sick, and rick together. They have that CK at the end, but more importantly, because they all have CK at the end. So there should have been a different way that you would have seen that we sorted them. So here, this group of words, they have ICK. And then here we have ICK again. And then here we have ICK again. And then over here, we have CK at the end, but it's behind, getting my words right, the letter A, that vowel A. So in all of those words, it's ACK. And then down here, we have UCK, UCK, UCK. And then over here, we have OCK, OCK. You can say it with me, OCK. So let's take a look. Our patterns this week are going to be 4 different ways that we are going to end a word. So here we have that OCK, which makes that awk sound. So you're going to use that short vowel, awk. And then here we have ick, ICK. Here we have ack, ACK. And then here we have ook for UCK. So these are going to be the 4 patterns that you are going to be using when you do your activities this week. So just a quick review. Just to remind you that if you can spell one word that follows the pattern, then all you have to do is change the beginning sound and you can spell the rest of the words. So real quick, tack. If you can spell tack because you have the t at the beginning and then you can group that ack ending, then you can spell sack by changing that first letter. But you can also spell black using that BL blend, bull, ack. And here we have lick. If you can spell lick, you keep that ICK and you can spell sick. Same thing with quick when you have that QU. Here we have lock. If you can spell lock, you can keep that OCK and spell rock. And stock. So you can even bump it up and do those blends. You can do digraphs, all those difference. So if you have here, you have luck, you can spell that uck sound. You can use that blend, pull, uck, and ooh, that chur. Remember that makes that CH sound, but it's really TR, truck, right? So boys and girls, let's take a look at what you're doing this week. I changed it up quite a bit to keep it fun so you aren't just doing the same thing over and over again. So this first one, I'll go ahead and put the screen on so you can see me. I'll give you a little bit of an example. So on Monday, you're going to watch the YouTube video. Hopefully you're doing that now. So that is one of your must-dos. The other one is on It's Learning. You're going to see what spelling words we're going to be working on today. And you are simply just going to chant those spelling words, pretending like you're sitting on the beach, you're sitting by the pool, and you're going to scoop your letters and you're going to dump them into your bucket. If you really have sand, you can get creative and you can actually sit in a sandbox or sit somewhere. You can use dirt, you can use water if you want to put water, in a pool and you want to scoop it. And every time you scoop and drop it into the bucket, you're going to spell that word. So for example, you would do L-I-C-K, and you would spell that word lick. All right, so that's something fun for you to do your first day that you do this lesson. On Wednesday, or whenever you do this next, you're going to use those same spelling words, and you're going to create either a palm tree or a beach towel with your spelling words. And I will have examples up on It's Learning of my own palm trees and my own beach towels that you can use as an example. So you'll see those examples. And then on Friday, the very, very last day of our learning this week, you're going to be creating a spelling beach ball using your spelling words. And I will put that example up on It's Learning of my beach ball, just a way for you to have fun, be creative, really get into this for the last week. And remember, if you are struggling by any means with spelling these words or remembering what the patterns say, you can always come back to the YouTube video. Just click on the day that it was posted and just rewatch it. You can rewind, you can fast forward, you can go to the parts that you need. But most importantly, I want you to have fun with this last week of learning. We're getting close to the end. We're all very proud of you. Keep up the great work. And this is the last time, you guys will be seeing me on the screen for all the other teachers' homerooms. So my kids, you'll see me again for the last 2 days. But boys and girls, I'm very proud of the work that you've been putting in. I've had a lot of fun making these lessons, and I hope you have enjoyed them too. So that's me signing off. So have a good summer, boys and girls, since I won't see you again for word work. Bye.